I'm Dominik Pacewicz, VP of Product Marketing with Amartus. Over the past year, we've seen a significant increase in demand on different markets. First, let's start with the international wholesale. When it comes to buyers, there's more and more buyers joining the ecosystem, and that drives more interest from the sellers, right? Everyone wants to sell more. So that converts for us with a significant increase in demand for our nBrace LSO implementations, which can support both buyers and sellers in different setups. That speed ups the whole ecosystem increase through our solution or with our help that way or another. We've also seen some significant increase in domestic wholesale, and that goes through all sort of open standards, not only LSO, we also support TM Forum open standards. We've crafted some adapters to support the other standard as well. That helps to adopt those standards much quicker way through, yet again, nBrace. So the B2B concept, it really takes shape on the market. More and more players just want to resell, want to automate the whole supply chain of the ecosystem of partners and suppliers. And we support these initiatives in different setups just to make the whole market fully API driven using open standards, like from Amplify and TM Forum. We've seen yet again a certain shift on demand over the past year from a very typical kind of request from a few years back to just implement LSO for suppliers. We now see more complex players joining the ecosystem. More and more players want to resell. More and more players want to become NaaS providers. So that means they need to also support the buying side. They need to be able to buy using open standards from their suppliers and cover the APIs, cover the complexity of the processes between them and their suppliers from their buyers. The buyers are looking for a single point of sale, and B2B providers, NaaS providers, needs to support that with their solutions. They need to orchestrate across a number of parties from all different types of services, NaaS services, starting with connectivity, but of course going through cloud interconnect, edge services, security, so SD-WAN, SASE concepts, and many others, even managed services. This needs to be all provided by a single NaaS provider. But behind the scene, a lot of magic needs to happen using open standards, APIs, and processes. And this is exactly what we do, where a number of initiatives are being executed with our help, and this is a very exciting projects we can deliver together with our customers. It would be unfair not to mention AI in the conversation, so of course we should also mention how we've strengthened our presence when it comes to improving customer experience with the AI help. So over the past year we've invested quite a lot of effort as an organization to build up the team and expertise, and also deliver some first projects using Agentic AI, large language models, by building a dedicated MCP server. All those technical details are required to actually improve the way we interact with complex systems. So basically today, with the help of nBrace AI agent and the MCP server, customers can really interact using natural language with this very complex systems. They can order NaaS services using just a plain language without providing lots of technical details. And with the help of those technical fancy tools, we can translate all these business requirements into technical specification of the service that needs to be ordered. Behind the scene, MCP server, and supported by large language models like ChatGPT and others, knows how to map this business intent into proper open standard API calls, so we can actually provision all of that or check pricing, build an ultimate solution for our customer using purely open APIs. So there's lots of magic happening there, but it's resulting from an expertise, a good training of those models, and we see a growing potential of this technology to serve our customers and their customers, because really the customer experience of that new interface is completely different. It's smooth, it's natural, and ultimately we can cope with very complex problems on ordering or managing complex network needs using just a plain, very easy language. Technology does the rest, and we are serving that technology to our customers.